I'm excited to share that the PyTorch for Deep Learning Professional Certificate, built in partnership with deeplearning.ai, is now available. PyTorch is what researchers discover with, what engineers build with, and what students and professionals everywhere want to learn. It powers state-of-the-art large language models, image generators, and many of the AI breakthroughs that are transforming the field. I'm Lawrence Moroney, and I've had the privilege to teach millions of people on how to get started with AI and deep learning. In this program, you'll roll up your sleeves and build with PyTorch from the ground up, learning how to use it to create your own AI systems. But getting started isn't easy. Tutorials are everywhere, and it's hard to know what's relevant when you're just starting out, especially if you're new to something complex like deep learning. It's easy to bounce between videos, docs, and blog posts without a clear path to follow, and before long, it might feel like you're right back to where you started. And that's why we built this 3-course professional certificate, to give you a clear path that takes you from the fundamentals of PyTorch to building real projects to exploring advanced architectures. In Course 1, you're going to dive straight into PyTorch. You'll learn how tensors work, build your first neural networks, and run the complete machine learning pipeline from data to training to evaluation. In Course 2, you'll then take your PyTorch skills further by applying them to real applications in computer vision and natural language processing. You'll learn how to optimize models for better performance, you'll use pre-trained architectures, and you'll apply techniques like transfer learning and fine-tuning to adapt them to new tasks. To complete the certificate in Course 3, you'll explore how PyTorch can make even the most groundbreaking ideas in deep learning feel simple and approachable. Along the way, you'll work with vision techniques, generative models, and modern language systems, and you'll then learn how to prepare your models for deployment so they're ready for real-world use. By the end, you'll be able to build real models with PyTorch, improve their performance, and understand what it takes to deploy them. Plus, you'll have a clear path for continued learning. The PyTorch for Deep Learning Professional Certificate is now available. I'll see you there.